Hello everyone, my name is Amit Pandey and I am a trainer at InfoSec Train. Today's topic that we are going to discuss is VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. AWS VPC is a service that allows customers to create a virtual network in AWS cloud, providing a secure and isolated environment to launch resources. A VPC is a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where the customer can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that they had defined. By creating a VPC, customer can specify the IP address range of the VPC as well as create subnet within the VPC. Each subnet can be associated with one or more availability zone, allowing customer to launch resources in a multiple availability zone for high availability. This allows customer to design the VPC in a way that meets the specific requirement and ensure that the resources are deployed in the most appropriate availability zone. VPC also allows customer to control access to their resources by using security group and network access control list. Security group act as a virtual firewall that control inbound and outbound traffic to resources within the VPC. Network ACL control traffic to and from a subnet. Customer can use this feature to restrict access to their resources based on IP address, port and protocol. This provides an additional layer of security to the resources launched within the VPC. AWS VPC also provides a feature called VPC peering, which allows customers to connect their VPC with another VPC in the same region or with a VPC in a different region. This allows customers to share resources between VPC and also enables communication between resources in different VPC. This can be useful for scenario where customers have multiple VPC and need to share resources between them. Customer can also use elastic IP address, which is static public IP address that customer can associate with their resources. This allows customer to access their resources from anywhere, even if the resources are launched in a private subnet. This feature is particularly useful for customers who want to ensure that their resources are accessible even if the underlying IP address change. Additionally, VPC can be integrated with other security services such as AWS WAF, Amazon GuardDuty, AWS Security Hub to provide a more robust security posture for resource launch within the VPC. There are few disadvantages of using a AWS VPC. First is additional cost. Creating and maintaining a VPC incurs additional cost in terms of hourly use and data transfer cost. This can be significant expense, especially for a high traffic application or those that need a high availability across multiple regions. The second is complexity. VPC can be complex to set up and manage, especially for a customer who have multiple VPCs and need to share resources between them. This can make it challenging to understand the overall network architecture and to troubleshoot issues. The third is limited control over routing. VPC rely on predefined rule to route traffic between subnet and to the internet. This can be imagined if you need to route traffic based on more complex criteria such as geographical location or user data. The fourth is limited visibility. VPC do not provide a visibility into the traffic that is passing through the VPC. This makes it difficult to understand the overall performance and to troubleshoot issues. So this is for today. Thank you.